In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music on your slides in Google Slides. So if you want to present your Google Slides with background music or audio, it is pretty much simple. You can do it by just a click of a button. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also subscribe to this channel. Now, to add music or audio to any of these slides, it is simple. Just head over to the slide and select it, and then click on Insert here. From this, you will see we have an option to add audio. So let me show you how you can add audio music and also video music. Now for audio, just click on audio, and this will take you to your drive. Go ahead and select the folder that contains that audio track and then add it here. Now if it is under shared, you can also do the same. Now for you to add video music or video track, it is also the same. Just head over to the slide that you want to add and then click on Insert and go to video here, and then say the video that contains that audio track or background music is on YouTube. Go ahead and choose YouTube here, or if it is on your drive, you can also go ahead and click on Google Drive. For my case, the background music is on YouTube, so I'll go ahead and paste here the YouTube URL of that music. So I'll go ahead and copy this by clicking on Ctrl+C on Windows and then paste it here. And once you have pasted there, click on Enter and it will fetch the music. And once it has been selected, click on Insert and the video will be fetched here and you can see it here. So you can go ahead and now resize this video to a manageable or to a very small size so that it does not interfere with your slides like that. And here we go. And now during presentation, you can allow it to play while you present your slides. So that's how you can add music or audio on your videos in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.